Guys, what is going on? Welcome back. So tonight we're going to go check out the Albany area in the Lark Street and Albany Med area just to see what's going on, see what it's like at nighttime. The summer's over, fall's here, so we just want to see what things are going on. Other than that, hopefully everybody's doing well. Don't forget, we have some fall footage, autumn leaves, things like that coming up. We're editing it right now, and it is going to be beautiful, we think. I think I caught some really good footage, so this should be good. So stick around for that. If you're new here, like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you think. Thank you to all the new subscribers and the returning followers for all the support. We're going to keep grinding, try to give you all the best footage we can. All right, we'll see you soon.
What's going on around here? Always something going on here. Yeah? Why is everything shut down? I think my friend was telling me something happened at one of these bars and they had to shut it down. Yeah, this whole street is usually packed, usually in regular times. I mean, I don't know if you want to call this regular or not, but I don't know. This is Central, yeah. I gotta be careful going up here because it's not the proper lighting. Because cars are always, you know how cars always double park down here?
I'm trying to see where I am. Do I know where I am?
We're going Central West though.
Oh.
This is, that go down that way to our, that slight left down there, that's Washington.
Oh.
This is Henry Johnson Boulevard right here. See that?
No.
Right here. See where that car just turned? That's Henry Johnson.
Okay.
And then that's the park over there that we were just at. Alright, you're gonna have to do a little bit of aggressive driving here. Kind of. The store you come to is probably around here somewhere. Look at Waterworks. It's a openly gay club.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, we should come.
I'm not going there. Not that I have anything against the
Oh,
culture. I'm all for the culture or
I wanna
whatever, you
see
know,
some
but it ain't
gay
for
men.
me. Listen,
I wanna
nothing
see
against
some-
nobody. This is not for me.
I want to see some gay
I got hit
men.
on a lot when I went to one time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They will have problem with me. I want to see
They're like, that's a
some
dog.
gay-
They're like, that's a dog, honey.
Oh my God, Pat, you've been laughing. Oh, somebody. What is it with you?
What race with him?
She has eyelashes
is that a
like
girl?
Yeah, she has eyelashes like umbrella.
What if she? What do you call it? I ain't trying to race nobody. This is an SUV. It's not meant for racing.
Dominican restaurant, La Olonre Expo.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Out the front. Trying to
Okay.
race. You see? Now it all looks
Yeah.
familiar.
This is the market.
Oh,
Thai
right there?
market. The
Okay.
Thai market.
Oh.
This is the African breakthrough.
Now this is quail up here.
Okay, where is the church? Well,
This is quail right here. Quail
right
Street.
here, I don't know where the church is. I Google it. And Fritz told me there is an Asian store down there.
There's Polly's Hotel right there. That's a bar.
Where is the hotel?
Right here. Oh no, it's not a hotel. It's a bar.
Oh.
I was there when I was
Victory
19.
Church. I've seen the church.
Oh really?
Yeah. You say what?
I was 19 when I was in that bar, not 21. That's for sure.
You're supposed to be 21, right? Oh,
There's
no.
always people double parking down here. So they have the complex and they got the liquor store right across from it. Imagine that. Like that wasn't planned. Look at everybody double parking to go get their what do you
But a
call
lot
it?
of
Easy,
people-
buddy, easy.
It's so nice. Oh,
I don't do that.
yeah.
Get my blood pressure high.
Even my brother said, don't do that.
He does it.
He does it. Yeah, he said, no, Jan.
Dog is dead. Kind of dead.
Lauren used to
They're
work
building
here.
this. What is that? Apartment?
Lauren used to work here, Equinox.